If you start at college on a former farm, you're going to be interested in agriculture and the machines we use to grow our food. And if you're interested in machinery, you'll pay more attention to fluid mechanics, electronics, and how materials interact, which will take you to physics, where you will learn to understand the arc of a three-pointer, and you'll realize that the roar of the crowd is more than a sound wave. And once you understand waves, you'll move deeper underwater and discover unknown coral reef fields, and you'll develop a sensor that can detect seizures in divers, which can also help surgeons communicate with patients. And you'll look for more things we can create to help people, like water purification plants, offshore wind farms, and sustainable building materials. And once you're thinking about climate change, you'll want to learn more about the Earth. And for that, you might want to begin at a university that started as a farm.